To solve a system of equations by graphing, you just need to draw the two lines on the coordinate plane and then find the spot where they cross. And that ordered pair where they intersect is your answer or your solution. It's really easy to see on a graph different numbers of solutions. So if the lines intersect in one spot, that means there's one solution. If the lines are parallel, they're never going to intersect, so that means there's no solution. And if the lines coincide, they're the exact same line, they're right on top of each other, that means there are infinitely many points where they are crossing, so there are infinite solutions. Some problems are going to be really nice. They're already written in slope-intercept form, so we just have to graph them. For my first equation, my y-intercept is a positive 6, and my slope is negative 1 over 2. So I go down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, yada, yada, yada. Put a line through it. My second equation has a y-intercept of negative 2. And then a slope of 5 over 6. So I rise 5 and run 6. 5, 6. And there I can already see, there's my second point, or there's my intersection point where the lines cross. So that right there is the solution. The ordered pair is 6, 3. Sometimes you will be not so lucky, like on page 5. These are not written in slope-intercept form yet, but you can change them into slope-intercept form. You want them to look like y equals mx plus b. So basically we're trying to get y by itself. In the first equation, we'll do that by subtracting x on both sides. That leaves 2y. And then 6 minus x, those are not like terms, so I can't subtract them. I'm just going to write them next to each other. Negative x plus 6. Now I need to get rid of that 2, so I'm going to divide everything by 2. 2y divided by 2 is just y. I'm going to put a 1 in front of my x, so now I can see more clearly this is negative 1/2 x, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. Shh, Mrs. Kaufman. In my second equation, it's very similar steps. I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. That gives me negative y equals negative 2x plus 7. This is a negative 1y. Put that 1 there, so I need to divide everything by negative 1. That gives me y equals positive 2x minus 7. Now I'm going to put those lines on my graph. So y-intercept of 3 and slope of negative 1 over 2 is that line there. And then my second equation, I have a y-intercept of negative 7 and a slope of positive 2. So y-intercept down here at negative 7. Slope of 2 means I rise 2, run 1. Rise 2, run 1. Rise 2, run 1. Rise 2, run 1. There is my intersection point. That's my solution at 4, 1.